Assistant Professor from Business College of Pharmacy. From today we are going to discuss about the topic of Hexose Monophosphate. First of all, what is the Hexose Monophosphate means is the otherwise known as Pentose Phosphate Pathway. So it's a first name. So okay, second name belongs to phosphogluconate pathways. Okay, these two names are under belongs to the Hexose Monophosphate pathways. Okay, derivatives. Okay, first one is what mean it's a Pentose pathway, Pentose phosphate pathways. Okay, next one is a phosphogluconate pathways. Okay, these two names are under the derivatives of Hexose Monophosphate. From this, from the topic of Hexose Monophosphate means it is about 10% of glucose were entered into this portions. Okay, about 10% of glucose were entered into this portions. Okay, this is a Hexose Monophosphate. Okay, about 10% of glucose were entered into this site of the portions. Okay, next it is other names known I have told it's otherwise known as phosphogluconate pathways or otherwise known as Pentose phosphate pathways. Okay, and the next what we see about the Hexose Monophosphate means it is an alternative pathway for TCA cycles. Okay, it is an alternative pathway for TCA cycles. Okay, it is otherwise known as tricarboxylic acid. Okay, simply we call it as TCA cycle. Okay, simply we call it as TCA cycles. Okay, next 10% of glucose were entered into the cytoplasm. Okay, where it is located from the pathways and where it is the site of the regions. Okay, from the pathway of Hexose Monophosphate, where it is the site of the region, it means it is located in the region of cytosols. Okay, it is cytosol means it is a portion of cytoplasm. Okay, it is otherwise known as a fluid portion. Okay, it is otherwise known as a fluid portion. Fluid portions in the cytoplasm. Okay, and it is a Hexose Monophosphate means it is a more anabolic in nature. Okay, it is one of the more anabolic in nature. Okay, it is known as a Hexose Monophosphate. Okay, that's this is a simple steps where we have known about the study of Hexose Monophosphates. Okay, next what are the where the tissues what are the tissues were present in what are the tissues the study of Hexose Monophosphate were like liver. Okay, like a region of liver and adipose tissues. Okay, these two portions were mainly act as a study of Hexose Monophosphates. Okay, then two portions of the tissues were the study of Hexose Monophosphate were active. Okay, next significance. Okay, next we are going to move the topic of significance. What are the role significance that actors in the pathways? Okay, first coming to the topic steps of significance. Before we enter into the significance, we study Hexose Monophosphate types. Okay, we have known about the structure of study of two types. Okay, consider as two types such as oxidative base and non-oxidative base. The two bases were based on the two bases were mainly established in the section of Hexose Monophosphate. Okay, Hexose Monophosphate derivatives. Okay, these are the two main studies that actor established in the study of Hexose Monophosphate. Okay, next what are the significance? Okay, what are the significance that actor derivatives established into this pathways? Okay, next, first of all, the significance like generally the two important productions of pentoses and NADPH. Okay, generally that to act as a two important productions of pentoses and NADPH. Okay, pentoses means it is one of the monosaccharide compounds. Okay, and act as a NADPH. Okay, NADPH means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogens. Okay, that is a NADPH groups. Okay, there are generally two important products of pentoses and NADPH. Okay, next the hexoses are converted into pentoses. Okay, the study of from the study of Hexose Monophosphate. From the study of Hexose Monophosphate, the compound of the hexose. Okay, the hexoses are converted into the pentoses. Okay, the hexoses are the carbon atoms. The hexoses are containing carbon atoms. Okay, containing how much carbon atoms means it is containing 6 carbon atoms. How many atoms? 6 carbon atoms were converted into the otherwise known as a simple sugar. Okay, it is a monosaccharide compounds and otherwise simple sugar containing a carbon atoms. Okay, containing how many carbon atoms? Like it containing 6 carbon atoms. Okay, the hexose containing 6 carbon atoms are converted into the pentoses. Okay, the pentoses are also like this. The pentoses pentoses are also like this. It's a monosaccharide compound, simple sugar. It containing 5 carbon atoms. It contains how much carbon atoms? It containing 5 carbon atoms. Okay, this is a simple sugar. The hexoses are converted into the pentoses. Okay, the 6 carbon atoms are converted into 5 carbon atoms. This is known as a Hexose Monophosphates. Okay, next the pentoses are otherwise it is a derivatives. Okay, the pentoses are otherwise it is a derivatives. Is used for the synthesis of nucleic acids. Okay, the synthesis of nucleic acid. This is the synthesis of nucleic acid containing both DNA as well as RNA. Okay, this is the synthesis. Okay, the pentoses are otherwise derivatives which are generally act as a nucleic acid like DNA as well as RNA. Okay, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acids as well as RNA means ribonucleic acids. Okay, it contains both nucleic acids. Okay, contains both nucleic acids and act as a structure of pentose derivatives. Okay, next it containing many nucleotides. Okay, it contains many nucleotides. What are the nucleotides means such as ADP. Okay, ADP, NAD plus, AD plus. Next another one is COA. Okay, what are the containing nucleotides means? First of all, nucleotides means it's the building the block of nucleic acids. Okay, building the block of nucleic acid. Nucleotides means what? Nucleotides means the building the block of nucleic acids. Okay, it is known as nucleotides. Okay, it is known as nucleotides. What are the nucleotide compounds such as ATP? Okay, such as ATP, NAD plus, FAD, and COA. ATP means adenosine triphosphates. Okay, adenosine triphosphates. Okay, NAD means nicotine amide adenine dinucleotides. Okay, next one is FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotides, and final one is COA. COA means CoA. Okay, coenzymes A. Starting with as CoA. Okay, the 4 compounds were present. The 4 nucleotides such the 4 substances are present in the study of Hexose Monophosphates. Okay, this is the significance. Okay, this is what are the significance were present in the structure of Hexose Monophosphate. Okay, next. What are the keywords? Okay, shortly what are the keywords are present in the study of Hexose Monophosphates? Okay, first of all, keywords means I have already told the nucleotide compounds like ATP, okay, ATP, NAD, FAD, and COA. Okay, these are also the keywords. Okay, the main of the keywords means NADP. Okay, NADP and NADPH. Okay, NADP means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, there is a NADP that derives NADP derived as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphates. Okay, and next one is the NADPH. Okay, NADPH means it derived as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate and then hydrogens. Okay, that is a derivation of NADPH. Okay, next one is also as well as ATP. Okay, adenosine triphosphates or otherwise NAD plus. Such NAD means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotides and FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide, and the next one the final one is CoA. Okay, that's shortly called as coenzyme A. Okay, that's all. This is a simply known study about the topic of Hexose Monophosphates. Okay, that's all about the study of Hexose Monophosphate. Thank you.